How to recover Google account without email and phone number. So if you want to recover your Google account without the email and phone number, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and then go with the search. Under search, you need to search for support.google.com, and here we need to choose the option of Google account. Tap on Google account and then scroll down, and you need to go with need more help, which is on the bottom, and go with the option which is post to the help community. Tap on that, and here scroll down, tap on post a question. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the sign in page. It might take you to the sign in page. So if it takes you to the sign in page, then you don't need to worry. You can log in with any Google account that you have access to. Once you've signed in, you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter a short summary of your issue. So for example, I'll be writing forgotten Google account password. And then on the next thing, you need to explain the problem that you are facing and what you've tried. So you need to enter that I don't have access to the email, recovery email, or the phone number, and I want to recover my Google account. And once you enter your problem, you can also upload some pictures or screenshots if you have, or you can also upload some attachments. And then you can go with category and select a category which is account access and recovery, and then tap on next. So once you've written everything, tap on next and then scroll down, and here you need to choose a description. So I'll be tapping account recovery and then tap on next step, scroll down and again tap on next, and here you need to enter the platform. For example, I'll be using Android, and then tap on next. And now you need to verify with the reCAPTCHA and then tap on post, which is here on the bottom left. And once you've sent that, now Google will help you within 1 or 2 days. So that's how you can recover your Google account without email and phone number. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.